Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a hyena. Let's start off by drawing the head with a line going up to the right and turning up at the end. Then, curving back over to the right like so for the top of the head. At this end, draw a small bean shape for the nose, followed by a line coming down and turning to the right, curving up and over like so, with the line coming down and curving to the left for the hyena's smile. And underneath, a line that curves under like so and to the right for the chin. Inside the mouth, add 2 sharp fangs on the bottom and 2 more on top. At the top of the head, draw a big backward C shape like so for the ear. And at this end, some zigzags coming down for the fur. Then, an upside down V shape over here for the other ear. From here, draw a wavy line coming out and down to the right for the back. And underneath, a shorter wavy line coming down for the neck and chest. At this end, a line curving down like so to start the leg, a short turn here, with a small hook-shaped line at the bottom to start the paw. Add a small C shape next to it, followed by another hook shape like so. Then, a gentle S shape curving up and over to finish off the paw. To finish the rest of the leg, continue that line up to here with 2 small bumps for the joints. Then, a slightly curved line across here for the belly. From the back, continue a gentle S-shaped line down to the right for the hind leg, followed by a line down towards the left with a short turn at the end. From up here, a long line curving down like so for the front of the leg, a line bending down like so, and another paw like before. Then, you can extend the line for the belly all the way to the leg. Next, draw the other legs on the other side by copying them slightly to the left. Did you know the hyenas are known for their laugh? But it's not because they're having fun. It's how they talk to each other, especially when they're excited or nervous. Next, draw the tail with a long, gentle S shape coming out from the back, followed by another long S shape here, another here, that turns back up like so to finish it off. Next, we can draw its mane. Start with some big zigzags coming down along the back of the neck that get smaller and smaller. Then, a couple more zigzags in between the ears as well. Inside the ear, add some detail with a thin S shape coming down like so, with some zigzags inside as well for some fur. On the head, draw a small line curving over and down for the brow, followed by a small dot underneath for the eye, and a short, thin line on the forehead. Then, some thin zigzags all along the inside of the mouth for the rest of the teeth. And a line going up to the right inside the mouth to finish off the head. That's looking great so far! If you'd like, we can add some more details to our hyena by drawing some ovals of different sizes all along the body and legs for a spotted pattern. Did you know that in spotted hyena groups, the girl hyenas are the bosses? They're bigger, stronger, and even more aggressive than the boy hyenas. We can also color in the tail, the mane, the nose, and even the paws. And now you've got a hyena. Make sure to comment down below to let us know what you think we should draw next. And also, check out these videos for more.